Hi guys. Okay, so now we did numbers 1 through 3. I think you should be able to do numbers 4, 5, and 6 on your own. I am now working on number 7. I have a new app, so this should only limits me to 3 minutes, so I might have to stop and then start again. But basically, based on the values, can it be determined that A is greater than 0 or A is less than 0? So we have to look at end behavior. So right here, we know that that's going down. Over here, we know it's going up. And if you take a look at your chart, hold on, there it is. We know the degree is odd, right? Because it's a cubic. And then it's falling to the left, rising to the right. So our A is positive. Okay, so from there, that's how you can say with certainty that our A is greater than 0. All right, the constant term, C, is your y-intercept. So look at the table. Look where x is equal to 0. Your y value is 4. So in this case, our C is equal to 4. That's simple. Number 9, now we're going to take the function, plug in 1, and set it equal to 3. But we don't know A, that's the whole point. So we're going to keep A. We're going to replace x with 1. We're going to, there's 1 to the second, minus 12x, plus C. But now we know that C is 4. We're going to replace C with 4, and we're going to set it all equal to 3. So we get A plus 5 minus, oh, sorry, that's supposed to be a 1. We're replacing x with 1. And then, so minus 12 plus 4 equals 3. So then 5 minus 12 is negative 7 plus 4, that's negative 3 equals 3. So A equals 6. Okay, so now, number 10, we're making a list of all the possible rational roots. But because now we know A and C. Investigate the graph, identify which are most probable. So we know that our constant is 4, so our factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Our leading coefficient is 6, so our factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And now we can simplify. So our possible rational roots are 1 plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1/2, plus or minus 1/3, plus or minus 1/6, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 2/3. Sorry, jumped the gun there. And we already have the 1/3. So now we're going to 4, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 4/3. Okay, so if you take the original function and plug it into your graphing calculator, you'll see that the most probable roots are going to be x equals negative 2, 1/2, and 2/3. You can use Desmos or your graphing calculator, and you'll be able to see those are your most probable. Okay, so now we're going to take those roots and check to see if they are actual roots. So the best option for you is always to start with the integer. Obviously, we don't want to work with fractions if we can avoid it. So our coefficients are 6, 5, negative 12, and 4. Drop it down, we get 6, we get negative 12, we get negative 7, 14, we get 2, and we get negative 4, 0. Perfect, we know negative 2 is a factor. Now let's try, excuse me, 1/2. We're going to use the coefficients from the previous synthetic division. So 6, negative 7, and 2. Drop it down, we get 6. Half of 6 is 3. We get negative 4. We get negative 2. Oh, good. We get a 0. And then we have 6x minus 4 equals 0 from there, because we drop down each degree. So x equals 4 over 6. We're going to simplify that to 2/3. And there you have day 28 homework. Please take a look at the other videos that I posted. They're supposed to help you guys. I will try and screencast any notes that I can, or just send you guys an example as often as I can. I hope this helped. Talk to you soon. I miss you guys.